Good morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung over at Allendale's Trading Floor. It is Tuesday, June 16th, starting the day off with a lot of positivity with the Fed saying they're coming in here buying more corporate bonds, more broad portfolio-based buying. The next $1 trillion stimulus package that's coming for us after the previous one earlier this quarantine period. So you got the Dow up about 120 points. You got crude up about $1.20. Looking pretty great here as we progress after that first scare on China looking at another lockdown. So right now it looks great. You had retail sales coming well above expected, much like you saw with unemployment numbers a couple weeks back. So it's all looking great. But the main question is going to be going forward, are we looking at another lockdown or not? How are these coronavirus cases going to flare up, and does that mean we're going back into a lockdown period, which would be detrimental for these markets? So we'll be watching that. On the grain side of things, you had a gap higher in corn. Would like to see that hold here throughout the day. The day session needs to be able to support that and keep that gap open for a bullish picture to enter over the next several weeks. Otherwise, this will be the second attempt at a gap. The first attempt last week, which did fail during the day session. So we'll be monitoring that gap fill, making sure that that does stay open throughout the day. Beans, we want to see it close above that 100-day moving average. And wheat, really want to see it hold support here. It's been a little bit lazy, a little bit dead market, not really moving too much of anywhere, but would like to see some support coming there as well. Otherwise, you could just start to see this slowly leak lower again. And on the cash cattle side of things, we saw $1 to $1.05 cash trade yesterday on 2013 head, spread between $1 and $1.05. So after 101.95 cash trade, average cash trade last week. We'll see where that comes out if it comes out steady this week. But today for Allendale, this is Mike Lung. You guys have a great one.
Allendale Market Talk Podcast, a fresh take in the podcast world, giving you insight from a trader's perspective, allowing you to have access from your planter, combine, or anything in between. Subscribe to Allendale Market Talk Podcast today.